A Green, Green Garden by Mercer. And if you'd like to buy this book, check in the link description down below. It is time to plant my garden. We go to the garden store. It has everything we need. I want a green, green garden. I find many seeds of plants. Mum says, "We'll buy some seeds." Dad says, "We will also buy some baby plants." They are very little. They all look the same. Dad rents a plow from Mr. Pinky. We go home to plant my green, green garden. Dad plows a garden. We pick up stones and clumps of grass. This is not fun. We plant the seeds and the baby plants. I am tired. I need cool water. We are finished, I say. Now we can rest. Dad says we must water each plant. We take turns. Every day we weed, water, and wait. We weed, water, and wait some more. We wait a lot. Dad takes pictures. At school, I learn more about gardening. We make a compost heap full of old leaves and stuff. It makes good garden dirt. We buy worms to put in my garden. We buy good bugs that eat bad bugs. Deer come and eat some of my garden. Blue wants to protect it. Finally, I have a green, green garden. I have a yellow, orange, and red garden too. We have a great dinner, all from my green, green garden. The end.